Did you know that the wrong color choice could cost you 15% in resale value, while the right combination costs exactly the same but adds $20,000 to $40,000 to your home's worth? Today, I'm breaking down 20 stunning exterior color combinations for Barndominium homes, ranked from cheapest to most expensive, and I'm going to show you which ones give you the best bang for your buck in 2026. Some of these will shock you because they look like $1,000,000 but cost less than basic white and black. Stick around because number 14 is my personal favorite and it costs almost nothing extra to do. Before we dive in, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell because I drop honest, research-backed content like this every week. If you find value in this video, smash that like button. It helps more people discover these cost-saving tips. All right, let's get into it. First, let's talk about what painting or finishing a Barndominium exterior actually costs in 2026. For metal siding, which is what most Barndominiums use, you're looking at $1.50 to $4 per square foot for exterior painting. For a typical 2,400 square foot Barndominium with about 1,800 square feet of exterior wall surface, that's $2,700 to $7,200 total for painting. Here's the thing though. Most Barndominium builders offer metal panels in various colors at the factory for little to no additional cost compared to standard colors. We're talking maybe $200 to $800 difference between basic colors and premium colors on a full build. That's why choosing the right color combination from the start is so critical. You get the look you want without the $5,000 repaint job later. Now, when I talk about cheap combinations, I mean colors that either come standard from metal building manufacturers, require no special treatments, or use affordable trim materials. Expensive combinations involve custom colors, mixed materials like stone or wood, or specialty finishes. Let's jump into the 20 combinations. Color combination 1, charcoal gray with black trim. Cost, budget-friendly, standard metal colors, $0 to $300 premium. This is the #1 most popular combination in 2026 for good reason. Charcoal gray siding with black trim, black roof, and black garage doors creates an incredibly modern, sophisticated look. It's low maintenance, hides dirt better than light colors, and works in any climate. In hot areas, choose a lighter charcoal with higher light reflectance value to keep cooling costs down. This combination typically comes standard from most metal building suppliers, so you pay $0 premium. Voice combination 2, white with black trim. Cost, budget-friendly, standard colors, $0 to $400 premium. The classic modern farmhouse look. Crisp white siding with black window frames, black doors, and a black or dark gray roof. This combination is timeless and appeals to the widest range of buyers if resale matters to you. The downside is white shows dirt and may need cleaning more often, especially in humid or dusty areas. But the materials cost the same as any other standard color combination. Color combination 3, light gray with white trim. Cost, budget-friendly, $0 to $300 premium. This is the sophisticated neutral that never goes out of style. Light gray walls with crisp white trim, white garage doors, and a medium gray roof. It's softer than stark white, but still bright and modern. This works beautifully in any landscape, from wooded areas to open plains. All standard colors, $0 premium cost. Color combination 4, slate blue with cream trim. Cost, budget-friendly to moderate, $200 to $600 premium. Here's where we start getting into the more interesting territory. A muted slate blue or gray blue siding with warm cream or off-white trim creates a coastal, inviting look. Slate blue is increasingly offered as a standard color by manufacturers, but some may charge a small premium. The result is absolutely stunning and stands out without being loud. Khaki with brown trim. Cost, budget-friendly, $100 to $400. Premium. Universal Khaki was named 2026 Color of the Year for exteriors by several paint companies. It's a warm, mid-tone neutral that feels grounded and natural. Pair it with chocolate brown trim, brown window frames, and a brown roof for an earthy, timeless look that blends beautifully with rural landscapes. This color is warm enough to feel inviting, but neutral enough for high resale value. 6. Sage green with black trim. Cost? Budget-friendly to moderate, $200 to $500 premium. Sage green is having a major moment in 2026. This muted, earthy green with black trim creates a modern yet natural aesthetic. It blends seamlessly with wooded or green landscapes while still having enough contrast to stand out. Sage is now offered by most major metal manufacturers, though some charge a modest premium. Color combination 7. Barn red with white trim. Cost: budget-friendly, $0 to $300 premium. You can't talk about Barndominiums without mentioning classic barn red. A rich, traditional barn red with crisp white trim, white garage doors, and a dark roof is timeless and instantly recognizable. This combination costs nothing extra, as red is a standard offering. It's perfect if you want that authentic barn aesthetic with a clean, maintained look. Comparing combination 8. Navy blue with white trim. Cost? Moderate, $300 to $700 premium. Deep navy blue siding with bright white trim creates incredible curb appeal. Navy is bold without being overwhelming, and the high contrast with white makes architectural details pop. Some manufacturers charge a premium for navy, but it's increasingly available as a standard option. This combination works especially well against clear blue skies and looks fantastic year-round. Evidence combination 9. Forest green with tan trim. Cost? Budget-friendly to moderate, $200 to $600 premium. A deeper forest green or hunter green with warm tan or beige trim brings a classic, grounded feel. This combination disappears into wooded settings beautifully or creates a bold statement against open fields. Green is generally affordable, and tan trim keeps costs down compared to specialty materials. Color combination 10. Pewter gray with charcoal trim. Cost? Budget-friendly, $100 to $400 premium. This is a sophisticated monochromatic look. Medium pewter gray walls with darker charcoal gray trim, charcoal roof, and matching garage doors. The subtle contrast creates depth without being loud. It's modern, elegant, and all metal, so installation is straightforward and affordable. Color combination 11. Terracotta with cream trim. Cost? Moderate, $400 to $800 premium. Warm terracotta or burnt orange siding with cream trim evokes southwestern charm and works beautifully in desert or plains environments. Terracotta is less common, so may cost more, but the result is absolutely stunning. This combination is warm, inviting, and unique without being weird. Combination 12. Black with natural wood accents. Cost: moderate to high, $800 to $2,000 premium. Matte black siding with natural cedar or wood look accents on doors, porch posts, or soffits creates a dramatic, high-end look. The black metal itself is often standard, but adding real wood elements increases cost. However, the contrast is breathtaking. In hot climates, use reflective black coatings to prevent excessive heat absorption. Color combination 13. Beige with dark bronze trim. Cost: budget-friendly to moderate, $200 to $600 premium. Warm beige or tan siding with dark bronze or copper tone trim feels upscale without breaking the bank. This combination is classic, blends with natural surroundings, and the bronze adds richness. All metal components keep costs reasonable. Color combination 14. Light sage with charcoal and wood accents. Cost: moderate to high, $1,000 to $2,500 premium. This is my personal favorite. Soft sage green walls with charcoal trim and natural wood garage doors or porch beams. The combination of the muted green, dark gray, and warm wood creates layers of texture and interest. The wood elements add cost, but the result is magazine-worthy. You could also use wood-look metal panels to save money while keeping the aesthetic. Color combination 15. Silver, galvanized with black trim. Cost: budget-friendly, $0 to $200. Premium. Raw galvanized metal with black trim embraces the industrial aesthetic. The silver metal reflects light, stays cool, and requires zero maintenance. Adding black window frames, black doors, and a black roof create striking contrast. This is one of the cheapest options because galvanized is the base metal material with no paint needed. Color combination 16, cream with forest green trim. Cost, budget-friendly to moderate, $300 to $700 premium. Soft cream or off-white siding with deep forest green trim, green garage doors, and a green or dark gray roof. This combination feels traditional, yet fresh. The contrast is strong enough to be interesting, but calm enough to age well. Both colors are widely available. Color combination 17, taupe with slate trim. Cost, moderate, $400 to $900 premium. Warm taupe siding with slate gray trim creates a sophisticated, neutral palette with depth. This is perfect for buyers who want modern elegance without going full gray or white. Taupe brings warmth, while slate adds contemporary edge. May require custom mixing, but some manufacturers offer similar tones. Color combination 18, mustard yellow with black trim. Cost, moderate to high, $600 to $1,200 premium. Bold mustard or golden yellow siding with black trim makes an unforgettable statement. This is not for everyone, but if you want your Barndominium to stand out, this combination delivers. Mustard is earthy and warm, not neon, so it works surprisingly well in rural settings. Expect to pay a premium for this less common color. Color combination 19, plum with cream trim. Cost, high, $800 to $1,500 premium. Deep plum or eggplant purple siding with soft cream trim is unconventional and luxurious. This creates a rich, sophisticated look that's unlike anything else on the block. Plum is rarely standard, so expect custom color charges, but the uniqueness factor is off the charts. Color combination 20, mixed materials. Charcoal metal with stone wainscoting. Cost, high, $2,000 to $5,000 premium. The ultimate in visual interest. Charcoal gray metal siding on the upper 2/3 with natural stone or stone look panels on the lower third as wainscoting. Add black trim and a black roof. This combination adds texture, durability, and serious curb appeal. Real stone is expensive, running $12 to $25 per square foot installed, but stone look metal panels offer the aesthetic for $6 to $10 per square foot. Key cost-saving strategies. Now that you've seen all 20 combinations, let me give you the insider tips to save money on exterior colors. Strategy 1. Order factory colors at build time. Custom colors ordered with your initial metal building kit cost $200 to $800. Painting later costs $2,700 to $7,200. That's a massive difference for the same result. Strategy 2. Stick to standard manufacturer colors. Most metal building companies offer 8 to 12 standard colors at no premium. These include white, black, gray, tan, red, green, and brown in various shades. Choose from this palette and you pay zero extra. Strategy 3. Use metal trim instead of wood. Metal trim in a contrasting color costs the same as matching trim. Wood trim costs $3 to $8 per linear foot installed. On a typical Barndominium, that's $2,000 to $5,000 more for real wood. Strategy 4. Use stone look or wood look metal panels instead of real materials. These cost 40 to 60% less than real stone or wood, but look nearly identical from 10 feet away. Strategy 5. Consider light reflectance value for your climate. In hot climates, lighter colors with high LRV reduce cooling costs by reflecting sunlight. Dark colors absorb heat. A white roof can save you 10 to 15% on air conditioning compared to a black roof. That's $150 to $300 per year in savings. Real cost breakdown example. Let me give you a real example. Standard 40 by 60 Barndominium with 2,400 square feet interior and approximately 1,800 square feet of exterior walls. Option A. White siding with black trim, both factory standard colors. Total premium cost, $0. Option B. Custom sage green siding with black trim and natural cedar garage doors. Premium for sage green, $500. Cedar doors versus metal, $1,800. Total premium, $2,300. Option C. Charcoal metal siding, black trim, stone wainscoting on bottom third covering 600 square feet. Premium for stone look panels at $8 per square foot, $4,800. Total premium, $4,800. All three look fantastic. The question is, what's your budget and what's your priority? If resale value matters, option A or a standard neutral is safest. If personal style matters more and you're staying long-term, option B or C could be worth the investment. Climate considerations. Your climate matters. In hot areas like Texas, Arizona, or Florida, choose lighter colors or reflective coatings to reduce heat absorption. Light gray, white, cream, and light beige work best. In cold climates like Montana, Colorado, or northern states, darker colors can actually help by absorbing sunlight and reducing heating needs slightly. Coastal areas need corrosion-resistant finishes. Galvanized metal with high-quality paint systems holds up best. Humid areas should avoid colors that show mold and mildew easily, like pure white. Resale value impact. If you plan to sell within 10 years, choose broadly appealing colors. Neutrals like gray, white, beige, tan, and black have the highest resale value. These appeal to 80 to 90% of buyers. Bold colors like mustard yellow, plum, navy, or terracotta appeal to 30 to 50% of buyers. They can actually hurt resale value in traditional markets, but enhance it in artistic or unique property markets. Earth tones like sage green, brown, and forest green are middle ground. They appeal to 60 to 70% of buyers and work well in rural settings. For best value, go with combination 1, 2, 3, 5, or 7. These are all standard colors, cost nothing extra, and have broad appeal. For unique style on a budget, try combination 4, 6, or 9. Small premium, big impact. For maximum wow factor, invest in combination 12, 14, or 20. These require budget for materials, but create show-stopping curb appeal. There you have it. 20 exterior color combinations for Barndominium homes, ranked from cheapest to most expensive. The beautiful truth is that stunning design doesn't require a huge budget. Some of the best-looking Barndominiums I've seen use standard colors applied thoughtfully. The key is understanding your climate, your resale goals, and your personal style. Choose colors that make you happy every time you pull into your driveway, but also make smart financial decisions. Remember, factory colors at build time save you thousands compared to painting later. Stick to standard offerings unless you have a specific vision worth paying for. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below telling me which combination is your favorite. Are you team classic neutrals or team bold statement? I read every comment and I'd love to know what you're planning for your Barndominium. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest, money-saving content on Barndominium builds. Hit that like button if this added value. And check out my other videos on Barndominium costs and design strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.